Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to increase the storage of your Nintendo Switch 2 console. So I'm going to go over how to put the microSD card into the console itself, as well as doing a little bit of a discussion on what type of memory card that you need to get. So make sure it's a MicroSD Express card. I got this one on Amazon. It's the Nintendo Switch 2 branded one that they did with Samsung. I'll post a link to this one down in the description if you'd like to check it out for yourself. Whatever card you end up going with, you need to make sure it's MicroSD Express. A way to confirm that you're dealing with an Express card is it should have a little EX on the card itself. It also might say Express on the card. That's what you're going to be looking for. Additionally, if you're online looking to buy a MicroSD Express card, if you come across one that looks too good to be true, maybe the price is a lot better than what you're seeing in general for the amount of memory, just always be aware that there could potentially be counterfeits out there. Always be careful when you're out there purchasing things like memory cards on the internet. The nice thing about getting it on a website like Amazon, if you find for whatever reason that you're getting a counterfeit card, it's a pretty good return policy on that, so you can hopefully get your money back in those instances. But if you're getting the Nintendo Switch 2 branded one with Samsung, you should be pretty set and safe to go in terms of a card that's going to be working properly in our Switch 2. I'm going to open up this packaging and take out this MicroSD Express card. Now that I have the card out of its packaging, what I need to do is turn the Switch 2 console around and open up the little kickstand. When we do that, we can see that the MicroSD card is going to go right here. It's labeled MicroSD Express. We're going to take our card and simply slide it right into that slot, making sure that we get it all the way in there and hear a little click sound, and the card is now successfully installed into our Switch 2. Flipping the system back over to the screen, it says that I need to update my system to use this MicroSD card. I'm going to select update and then update the system now. And now to check on my storage, what I'm going to do is head on over to the system settings, selecting that. And then in the system settings, scrolling down to data management, and I can now see the internal storage of my Switch 2 is in the system memory area. The microSD card that I just put into the system shows up right here as 238 available gigabytes. So I can see that the card is in the system, it's being read properly, and I can now use this for game storage on my Switch 2. And that'll wrap up this video. So I hope it was helpful going over what type of microSD card that you need for your Switch 2, how to install it into your system, and where you can check it in your system settings to see if that card is being read properly. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.